Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited to start today's vlog because today is our Ivy City shoot. I haven't actually announced on YouTube what I'm doing with Ivy City, but if you haven't heard of them, they are a dress company based in Utah and they ship internationally. They do mommy and me matching dresses or just like women's dresses in general. This is just such a dream for me. I actually partnered with them to create 3 different designs with the matching mini little girl version as well, which is such a dream. So me and Alaina today are going to shoot those dresses. Can't wait to show them to you guys. I will put the launch date on screen. It will be end of February. I just forgot the exact date because it changed a couple times. I'm really excited for you guys to see them and I hope you guys love them as much as I do. I will try to sit down and like explain a little bit more of like the design process and like my thought process as I was designing the dresses with you guys a little bit later on in the video. I'm about to do my makeup and I'm about to get Alaina ready and we're gonna head over to the studio to go shoot. It's kind of a cloudy day in Dallas today. We drove up here last night and spent the night because I didn't want Alaina to be cooped up in the car for 2 hours and then do the photo shoot right after. I knew she would just not do well. This is much better. I was able to like feed her breakfast. She was like playing around the hotel room and I think she'll be in much better mood. I'm like praying. Pictures and toddlers don't really mix well over here. So anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and do my makeup and then I will take you guys with us to the studio. Okay, we put Mickey Mouse on the TV for Alaina because she always cries when I'm not playing with her and it breaks my heart. So I'm gonna try to do my makeup. I was gonna get my makeup done for this shoot, but my favorite makeup artist was out of town, so I'm just gonna do it myself. I have some ginger, orange, and lemon juice. We just had smoothies and toast. We just Uber Eats'd it to the hotel and I scarfed that down. And Alaina did not really eat much. I actually brought her like some yogurt from home, but she only ate like half of it. She's just been really hard to get to like eat. Like I feel like I'm just like giving her like little bites throughout the day sometimes. I have all my makeup, which anyways, I love this makeup bag. I can link it below.
Hold it.
No.
Hold it. Makeup.
What's up, YouTube?
My makeup is done. Now it is time to get Alaina ready and we're gonna get dressed at the studio. So we're just gonna wear comfy clothes on our way there. So, are you ready to brush your hair?
No.
You're gonna be a model today. Did you know that? Did you know you're gonna be a model? Did you know that? Are you happy?
Oh, it's a yawn.
I'm going up and dance.
Yeah, we're gonna dance. Are you excited? Are you excited to dance? What songs do you want to dance to? Mickey Mouse? Hot dog?
Dog.
Diggity dog? We are all ready to go to the studio. Alaina, where are we going? Are we gonna go dance? I keep telling her we're gonna go dance. I'm gonna put music for her and hopefully that'll make it easier. Okay, let's go. Can you push the bottom button? Yeah, good job. You did it.
Oh, you did.
You did it.
It's going down.
It's going down.
It's open.
It's gonna open, that's right.
Put that button.
Oh, yeah. Just dance. You got it? Yes. You need some help, Lena? I'm gonna get the other ones.
The flowers are by the same people who did Amanda's wedding. They're called Something Pretty Floral in Dallas. They do the most incredible work. It's so beautiful.
Do it again.
Oh, I love it. I'm gonna
Go give it to Mama. Smile.
Hijab? Hijab? And that is a wrap. We're trying to figure out what to do with the flowers now because we didn't have enough room to bring all of them home. So I think Anaya's taking one, Emily's taking one, and then we're taking one. But it was so pretty. It's a good day. Just a few days later. Alaina did so good at that shoot. I was so surprised and just so proud of her, and all the pictures turned out so cute. I'll hopefully try to put some on screen so you guys can see. I wanted to give you guys a little bit more background since I've been talking about it a lot on my Instagram, but I don't think I've shared it with you guys. If you haven't heard of Ivy City, they make beautiful like mommy and me dresses. You don't have to have a daughter to wear their dresses. All women can wear it. They just basically have like all sizes, and I love that you can match your little girl. I'm so excited to partner with them. This video is not sponsored. I'm just so excited because this is such like a passion project of mine. I have just always dreamed of being able to like match my daughter with dresses, and it's just so hard to find modest dresses that are my style that I like, that have matching baby dresses. So I wanted to give you guys a little like background on how I designed each piece and like my inspiration behind them. I'll put up my mood board so you guys can see them. The collection will drop February 28th. The stock on these is very, very limited, sadly. I do like very much think they are going to do a restock, but yeah, just know that there's just not that many. February 28th, just be prepared. If you want one of these dresses, you gotta get it before it's gone. Okay, so this is the nude dress. I named the collection after me and my daughter. So Noor is Alaina's middle name, and I thought it just fit this dress because Noor means light, and it's just a white, beautiful boho dress that's perfect for the summertime. I love the ruffles and just like the embroidery detail. It is so hard to find white maxi dresses for the summertime that are not see-through, and this is fully lined. Just a dream. This will be perfect for summer vacations and just all spring summer events. This is one of my favorites. The Alaina dress is this beautiful like matte satiny material, has this tiered skirt. You can see the baby girl one a little bit better because I can hold it up and you can see the whole thing, but I'll also put pictures on screen of us wearing these hopefully so you guys can get a better idea. But I love the covered buttons. I love how feminine and floaty it is, and I could definitely see you guys wearing this to special occasions like weddings, Eid. Like, can you imagine matching your baby girl for Eid in this? And I love that the little girl sizes, they actually go from 0 to 3 months to 11 to 12 years. So if you're looking for a maxi dress, this would actually be great for little girls to wear to the mosque and stuff on Eid. This is the only dress in the collection for the little girls that's maxi length. The other two are knee length. Lastly, we have the Alaina dress. I wanted one that was just like a really simple, classic design that was comfortable. You could reach for this like year round or year after year. And this color was something that actually you guys chose over on my Instagram. I was really debating on the color. I had like a nude option, I had a black, just some more neutrals, but you guys chose sage green, and I'm so glad you did because it's gonna flatter so many skin tones. You guys, it's so good. I wear small in all of the pieces, and they run pretty true to size. I'm usually a US 4'6". The lengths are gonna be 58 inch. Just keep that in mind. If you're petite, you may have to hem them. Hope you guys can get your pieces if you want them.